The questions that test freedom. The 30 articles. Q&A. Masterclass series. E134 Article 9 Power over Liberty. Held in check. Truth, integrity and institutional trust. Article 9 pairs with Episode 90. When is a deprivation of liberty arbitrary?
Arbitrariness is broader than mere illegality. A detention is arbitrary if it lacks a clear legal basis, but also if it is unjust, unnecessary, disproportionate, or unpredictable. Even where some law nominally permits it, liberty is the default. Its removal is the exception that must be justified each time.
The implementation test runs in sequence. Is there a clear law, a legitimate aim, genuine necessity, and proportionality? A detention that fails any step is arbitrary, no matter how it is dressed in procedure, across sectors. It governs criminal arrest, immigration, and security detention, and confinement in institutions. What must a person be told and given when detained?
The safeguards begin at the moment of arrest. A detained person must be told promptly, in a language they understand, why they are being held and what they are accused of. Must be able to contact a lawyer and the outside world, and must be brought before a judge without delay.
These are not courtesies. They are the mechanisms that convert raw power into accountable action. Secret, unexplained, or incommunicado detention is precisely the soil in which disappearance and abuse grow.
Across sectors, prompt notification of reasons, access to counsel, and rapid first appearance before a judge.
What is the single most important check on detention?
The right to challenge the detention before an independent court. The ancient safeguard by which anyone held can demand that a judge promptly examine whether their detention is lawful and order release if it is not.
This is the mechanism that makes every other protection enforceable, because it puts an independent eye on the state's power over a body. Where this challenge is fast, real, and available to all, people cannot simply vanish. Where it is suspended or hollow, detention becomes a tool of disappearance.
Across sectors, speedy judicial review of any detention with the power to order release for everyone, without exception.
How is liberty protected during emergencies or security operations?
Emergencies are when arbitrary detention surges, so the safeguards must survive them.
The catalyzing rule is that the core protections, a legal basis, prompt judicial review, knowledge of one's whereabouts, cannot be wholly suspended.
Security may justify some adapted procedures, but never a regime of secret, indefinite, unreviewable detention, time limits, registries of detainees, and continued access to courts must hold, because a power that can detain anyone, secretly and indefinitely, in the name of security, has already become the danger it claims to fight. Across sectors, detainee registries, time limits on pre-charge custody, and non-suspendable judicial review.
Difficult questions do not weaken freedom. They protect it from shallow thinking and unaccountable power. Examine the assumption, verify the evidence, continue learning, and turn understanding into responsible civic action.
Share this discussion, participate thoughtfully, and subscribe to the KJA Global Channel so that the learning continues.
KJA. Knowledge justifies authority.
freedom must not only be imagined, freedom must be designed, protected, and lived.